See, Allah Ta'ala has made this world. That is what we believe. And He is all merciful. He is the provider and sustainer of His creation. He says in the Holy Quran that He is the one who provides food to the animals and to you as well. So there is a potential here in this world to grow more food for the people, for His creation, whoever needs food. If we are disturbing the balance by cutting trees, climate change, and carbon emission, and so many other things, and we are not taking the remedial measures to correct whatever we have done to imbalance our world, then it is not Allah's fault. In Africa, there is a vast land which can be utilized for producing food for the world. There is a vast land in America even, in North America, South America, in Asia. If proper plan is made, and if we love each other, if we love our Creator and discharge our duty we owe towards each other, His creation, then there can be a consolidated plan and program to grow more food. We shall try not to let any person die of hunger. But here what is happening? That if we have excess food, we throw it into the sea. We waste our dairy product. We waste our agricultural produce instead of giving to the hunger-stricken people in third world countries. So this is our lack of interest in helping the people of the world. If the rich countries, rich people are discharging their duties and giving their due rights to the deprived people, this is Islamic teaching, is to show sympathy to others and feed others. Islam doesn't say that there should be socialism, but it says that you must be careful in providing food to every person, to your neighbor. Islam says that your neighbor has the right. And the definition of the neighbor is, it can extend up to the 40 houses. And neighbors are those who are working with you. Not only the neighbors living in your area or vicinity, but the neighbors who are working in your field, in your workplaces, in your factories. The neighbors are those who are traveling with you, right? So in this way, you can have a very wide range of neighbors. And if you are taking care of all your neighbors, then this is how you can save the world. Not only providing food, but also can create peace.
You speak with great hope. Some people, when they speak about our environmental crisis, are almost in despair. But you've emphasized, if we love one another, we can save the world.